Hi there, this is Amanda Frankel with our Crafty Playdate, and I just got my pre-order. So for those of you who are not familiar with what's going on, these are my big scissors. Stampin' Up's new catalog has come out, and I am so excited about it. I can show you the cover. This is the cover. I actually bind mine every year because then it lays flat, and I'd open it up and show you, but I can't. But if you don't have one, or you don't expect to get one from another demonstrator, I would love to be the person who sends you your catalog, and then you can look inside. This catalog actually becomes live in May. I want to say May 3rd. May 3rd. Okay. Yeah, May 3rd it goes live, and then you can order from it. If you're a demonstrator, you can pre-order from it. So you can actually get things a little bit in advance, and that's so that we can make some samples and plan some classes and things like that. And that's what I have done. And that's what's in this box. So this is going to be the unboxing. Just so you know, this is kind of just a mini unboxing because I didn't order everything that we were allowed to order. I just got some pieces here or there because I don't have a lot of time before May to get things made. So I just want to get started. So let's go. Ooh, very exciting. Oh, this right here, just so you know, this is one of our new colors. It's called Parakeet Party. And if nothing else, it is absolutely the favorite name that I have for the new colors. This was apparently not put in my box, so they sent it to me separately. So it came in an envelope, and I was really excited to get it. So the rest of the stuff for it should be in this box. Let's see what's coming. All right. So of course, I'm gonna move this for a second so I can tuck that back so it won't be in our way. All right, of course, bubble wrap. Our bubble wrap is recyclable. Please be sure that you recycle it. And I will do that. Here is my order sheet. This always comes when you place an order. This always comes in your box. And I always actually check it in. So I will do that when I get off the video here today. I'm not gonna do it while I've got you, but I do check everything. It's incredibly rare that there's a problem with an order, but it has happened. I've been a demonstrator, I think 12 years, and it's happened a couple of times where something gets stuck and you don't get it or something comes broken. It's just good to check everything in. So hold on to that. Oh, let's look. Oh, here's another color. This is Tahitian Tide. It's a blue. The new in colors. Okay, so there are 5 new in colors, and we're rotating out some old in colors and bringing in 2 more. These are, or 5 more. These are good for 2 years. So this will be, and for 2 more years. So that's these 2 so far. All right, I'll put those in a stack so we can find them later. Brood dies. Oh, yeah, okay. All right. Oh, look at all this fun stuff. Look at this. Brood for you. Very beery. And then the brood dies go with these, cut them out. These bubbles you can put coming off a glass. I cannot wait to play with this. It's really funny because we do have quite a few masculine stamps, but my husband's not a tool guy or a fast car guy. I mean, he likes cars, but that's not his thing. And so he does like beer, and he has brewed his own. So I think this will be a really fun set to use for him. Let's see what else. This is Windmill Fields. Okay, this actually is in the current mini catalog, and it's just something that I had been waiting for. So I'm glad that came in. That's not part of the new stuff. All right, let's see. Nature's Print. Oh, that's very pretty. I love this. That's gorgeous. Kind of fun font. Okay, I don't remember if this has dies, so we'll have to look around. Bottled Happiness, so a little more wine related. Wine not, of course. I wish they would all come together. Natural Prints. Okay, this is apparently the die set that goes with it. Let's look at it. Let's look at it because I am excited. This is Parakeet Party. So fun, right? It's really fresh. I will have to do a video where I show and compare some colors. These are the nature. Ooh, lots of them. Oh, pretty wreath. Great label. Great label. Oh, that's going to be great. Okay, so that goes with this Nature's Print. So This, for example, obviously matches here, and this matches here. So this here. So we'll have some dies that coordinate exactly, but then you've got a wreath to put with it and a tag for these. Great. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, excited about that. We'll put that back together later. All right, Blossoming Happiness. Let's see if there's something. Oh, this is probably what it goes with. This is Happiness Abounds, and very good font. Okay. Wishing you all the happiness you can imagine. That's a pretty thing to say. And sending many thanks for all you do. Think about that. As a mom, wouldn't that be the best? I mean, that's even a good Mother's Day sentiment, right? Let's see what the dies look like for this happiness set. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, a lattice. Oh, that would be really pretty. Okay, and some borders, and then matches the flowers. Great, and these are going to be really pretty to color with blends. I cannot wait. I have not played with my blends in so long, some real coloring. I miss that a lot. Maybe I'll do a blends club. That would be fun. All right, let's see. Here is an embossing folder, ferns. That's pretty. That would be pretty if you put ink in it. Have you done that, where you ink in and then you emboss and it kind of presses it into or lifts it into the color? So this is 12 by 12 paper, and it is the whole new In Colors pack. So this is available in the new annual catalog, and I believe you get 2 sheets. Oh, you get 4 sheets each of the 12 by 12 of the 4 different In Colors. So it gives you a good opportunity if you are a scrapbooker or you like to make some bigger things. What else? Okay, this is, ooh, pretty. It's blue. It's very blue. It is Sun Prints, and it is in our new color. It's got Granite Gray, Night of Navy, Pacific Point, and Starry Sky. Starry Sky is our new color. I believe this is Starry Sky. Yeah, so it's got some Starry Sky in there. This one's Night of Navy, but some of the prints in there have some Starry Sky. That's a pretty blue. It's nice and bright. I like that. I think the new colors this year are very nice and bright, which is kind of refreshing. Let's see. Oh, I have some white paper, which seems ridiculous to have a bunch of white 12 by 12, but I'm doing a class, and I had enough for my class, but I was worried about if there were any mistakes, I would not have enough paper. So that's good. Ooh, ooh, this is pretty. What is this? Hues of Happiness. Oh, you know what? There is a die set. I don't know if I ordered it yet. There is a die set that maybe it's this. You know what? I think it's the Bloom, the Happiness Bloom one. Yeah, some of these dies cut out some of the images in this paper. So maybe not this particular one, but in the, I'm gonna open this because I really want to see it. You know, I should open the Starry Sky for you too. Hang on. Okay. Let's look at this. Oh, that's cute. That would be super useful too. Pretty. Oh, it's got stripes. Nice. It kind of striped flower. See that? Hue. That looks like a little Jerry Garcia something or another. Okay, this. Some of these flowers cut out some of these images. So that is super cool. Is that this one? Let's see. It's maybe one of these. Okay, I'm gonna have to play with it and check it out, but I know that they cut these out, so you could put these flowers on there and they're already colored. So if you don't feel like coloring, you wouldn't have to. This is beautiful. Very nice. A little more stuff there. That's the big flower in that die set that it cuts out. Great. Well, that's great. That's really artsy. Very pretty. Oh, so it gives you a lot of options. If you don't feel like coloring, you can just cut them out. And the colors in this paper, it lists them right here on the back. So it is Coastal Cabana, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, Fresh Freesia, Gorgeous Grape, Granny Apple Green, Mango Melody, Melon Mambo, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, and Pool Party. So very nice. Okay. Here's another one of our in colors. It's called Sweet Sorbet. Here is Orchid Oasis, kind of a purpley blue, and then Starry Sky, which is the deeper blue. So here are the 5 new in colors. And when you order these, you can get them as a set, and then you can also get the refills. So you definitely need to get the refills. I got the Baker's Twine set that goes with it. It's got all the colors connected in there, or also collected in there, I meant. So that'll be good. It's all the new in colors. This is for a prize. So sometimes when I have classes, I have prizes that I would show you, but I'm not going to because it's a prize. Sorry. If you're a demonstrator, you can get supply items, and this is a logo item. It's super cool. All right, I've looked at this a couple of times. This is the wine. I don't know if I must not. Oh, you know what? I didn't get the dies because it's not dies. It is a punch. I love punches. Love punches. So you can put that in here, and just think this would be a great punch if you want to do one of those cards that you use the hair gel as water in a bag behind here. Remember that? We've done it with a fish tank, but you can put some water in there or make it look like water and some flowers coming out in your jar. So cute. All right. So here is the Tahitian Tide paper, the Sweet Sorbet paper. I always get 1 pack of each of the papers. Parakeet Party, love that name. And Orchid Oasis. And here's the Starry Sky. So that gives you a better view than just the stamp pads. Some great colors. This reminds me a lot of Tempting Turquoise, so which we have not had a color like that for a while, so I'm excited to see that back. Okay, these boxes are all catalogs, so you can tell that I am ready for you. So if you did not get a catalog, if you have not placed an order with me for a while, you may not get one automatically. So be sure that you let me know. If you have placed an order with me, you'll probably just get one from me because I'm pretty good about sending them if you've placed an order. This is the new ribbon that matches the colors, and I don't know why I only got 4. Hi. Maybe there's another one hiding in here. There is. Look at that. Okay, these are the new in color ribbons. And this is the Parakeet Party. Let's see if I can get it started. Oh, fun. Okay, it's super thin. Is it meshy? Can I open it? Sometimes these, oh yeah. You could fray it a little. You could open it up a little so it's a woven. See that? It's a woven ribbon. So you could do some other things besides just tie it. You could fray it or make it like net. That's cute. That is super cute. Can you see that? So these are the new in colors in the ribbon. I always make sure I get those. Oh, look at these. These are little beads that are like little bubbles, effervescent elements, and they'll be cute in the so they look like little bubbles, little pearls. Some are iridescent, some are just plain, and it'll be cute to have in a card as a shaker card that you could put in a bottle. Nice. Usually when I order ink pads, I order all the refills. So these are 2 of the new ink colors, Starry Sky and Parakeet Party. I didn't order all of the refills this time only because I was at my target amount for what I wanted to spend for the first go round. But almost normally I would say I never buy an ink pad without getting the refill right away, just so that I don't forget later. So this will be on a big sign in my craft room so that I remember to order the other 3 new in color refills. And that's it for right now, I think. Okay, so again, catalogs. If you place an order, you'll probably get one. If you don't receive it soon, then let me know and I will get one to you. And I'm so excited to crack into these babies and get them out to my customers. I hope you enjoyed the things that you saw. If you see anything that you like here, grab a catalog and be sure that you let me know so that we can get it placed right when it goes live, so that you can make sure that you get it before it sells out. Also, if you are local, I do a buy one, get one free sale with my retired items. So you pick out some my retired items that you like. You pick those out. You find a corresponding amount in the new catalog and you place that order and you get the retired things for free. So it's a great deal. If you are not local, I probably will do one of those sales online also. Not usually at the same time, but be sure that you double check my meetup page. I will put the link in the description so you can find the buy one, get one free sale. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day.